What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I know, it's been a long time. This is just going to be a quick little video because it's nothing too major. Don't mind my car, gotta clean it. Got the car seat in here, but I really dislike these lights. So excuse me. We are going to be changing them. And, I'll try to show everywhere that I have to put the pry tool in. So, I've just got these lights off of Amazon. That's the brand. And I think, yeah, they're 530 lumens. You need 4 altogether. 2 for the front lights. 1 for the trunk, and 1 for the dome light. The trunk light on the sedan is right here, and if I'm correct, I'm pretty sure you just right here pry it down a bit. I would recommend not using a screwdriver like I am, but it is the only thing that I have as of right now, so I might break the clip. Might have to do it with 2 hands. Yeah. I might have to do it with 2 hands. We'll see. Huh. Yeah, so it's in here, but I might need a flathead screwdriver so I don't break the clip. We'll be right back. Okay, so we've got it out. It just took a little bit of force to get it out, that's all. The bulbs do get hot. So, I don't know if I can pull this out with 1 hand. I can try. Let's just take that out. It was just a connector. Took the connector out. I'll wait for the bulb to cool down. Pretty sure you just pull it out. Grab here and pull out. Use gloves. Because sometimes I've changed these on cars, and I've actually I've broke the bulb before, but yeah, I'm just going to take the bulb out and put the LED in. Okay, so that's the new bulb. It's already installed, as you can tell. This is the old bulb, and that's it in the connector. It's pretty bright. Let's see if I can do this with 1 hand. There we go. In. Just, yeah, pretty sure that's in. Right there. There we go. Bright. New. It actually makes such a big difference, to be honest. Again, don't mind a trunk. I gotta get the time to clean it. Let's move on to the dome light. Okay, that's the dome light. I'm pretty sure if it's like any other Honda, you want to put the tool in here and just pop it down. I could be wrong. You might have to get it in this little plastic trim, but I might not even be able to get at it if that's the case, because this might be too large, but I'll see what I can do, and hopefully I don't damage the light. Yeah, you put it in to the little trim here and it should just come down. But it has to be something pretty thin. When I get it off, I'll be back. Okie dokie. Yeah, so I stuck my little pry bar in between the plastic shield and the plastic right here. You see that little notch right there? That's where you want to aim it for. And then once you're in there, you can just go like that and it pops right down. The light bulb that I have has this metal tab around it. You can see it a little bit right there. If you get these lights, you have to put a bit of electrical tape, push it in, and voila. Those metal tabs here will not cause a short circuit. Now, if you didn't watch it to this far, I'll just turn this back on. If you didn't watch it to this far, then you're not gonna know that till the end when you have to go get the fuses, blah 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 blah. And yeah, but it is so much brighter in here. Look, again, excuse the mess, the dirtiness. I gotta clean the car. These lights over here, actually, I could show you, but you just plop your screwdriver right in between the white plastic and the plastic over here, and it should work. As for this, light seems to be in there. It might not work properly. We'll see. Going over bumps, ba ba ba. Going over bumps, but if you push it a little bit, see what I mean? So, we'll have to see. Let's see if it even stays on when the plastic shroud goes back in. Boom. On, staying on, not short circuiting anymore. For those of you that stayed in here this long, that's what the car looks like with the lights on. Just go to the front. The car looks like with the lights on up here. Trunk. Very bright, 530 lumens. My retinas right now are doing that like green light thing. Okay, so what is actually very hard to find, if you don't know, for your interior lights, it is this 10-amp fuse right here underneath the 30. Okay. And it's those types of fuses. As you can see, I broke 4. 1 that's broken, 2 that's broken, 3 that's broken, 4 that's broken. Oh my. These are, I got 2 left in the back. Not that good. Anyways, if, oh yeah. Your fuse puller should be right in here, like so, just like that. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you, oh that's so nice, in the next one. Bye bye.